I'm Chef Mike Moses and welcome to my kitchen. Well, here we are, another hot summer day, and I really don't feel like doing a lot of cooking. Maybe some chicken salad sandwiches. And we'll make chicken salad coming up. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I post new videos here every weekend just for you. Okay, our chicken salad sandwich, we're gonna do it right from scratch. And as you can tell, I've thawed out some chicken legs and thighs that I vacuum sealed. And we'll take the chicken out. And what we're going to do with this chicken is basically boil it until it's cooked. I got a pot of water on the boil. We're gonna season that up with some salt. And put the chicken legs in anywhere from 40 to 45 minutes. And when they are done, we'll pull them out, cool them off, peel off the meat, and assemble our chicken salad sandwich. And I'm going to use the mayo that I made in the last video. And there's a link at the bottom. All right, the chicken's been on the boil for about an hour and a half. Fall off the bone. And what I want to do now is chill it really fast so I can handle it. Put it on an aluminum plate. And what this does is conduct the temperatures very well. I'll take this, pop it in the freezer for 20 minutes until I can handle it, and then we'll assemble our chicken salad. Chicken's been in the freezer for about 30 minutes, so it's cool to the touch, which means I can handle it. And what we'll do now is we're gonna take all the meat off the chicken. Get rid of the skin first. And just break it down. The reason that I use chicken legs and thighs is it's the dark meat, a lot of flavor in it. The oyster should be in here somewhere, there it is. There's our chicken. And of course, now that our chicken legs have all been deboned, we just want to chop it up. Nice bite-sized pieces. Once that's all chopped into our mixing bowl, it will go. A few other things we're going to need for our chicken salad. We're going to need some celery, some onions, and we'll assemble this. All right, for our celery, we'll top and tail it. And I want to cut it right down the middle. Because you don't want a lot of big pieces of celery in there. You just want some really nice little bites. We'll add the celery to our chicken. And we'll take a shallot. You don't want to overpower your chicken salad with a lot of onion. That's why I use a shallot. And I'm only going to use half a shallot. Very finely cut. Add that to our mix. And we'll add some mayo, and this is the homemade mayonnaise that made a little while ago. A couple of really good dollops. And then just start mixing everything around. Want to make sure everything's coated. There's not a big pile of mayo in the middle. Okay, chicken salad's made. This is going to get covered and we'll put it in the fridge for probably 40-45 minutes just so it cools down. So when we assemble our supper, it's going to be very tasty. Okay, I think it's time that we build our chicken salad sandwich garden salad meal for supper. And I've got some fresh baked rolls here. I'm just going to peel off 2. And I'm going to use these like a bread. So I'm just going to slice them in half. And we'll take a little bit of our fresh mayo. You may have noticed that I covered it with plastic. That's very important. You should cover it with plastic wrap just so it doesn't oxidize. Take a little bit of the mayo. See the chives, all the gorgeous color in there. Now we'll take our chilled chicken salad. Does that ever smell good? Remember, with the celery, you're going to get that crunch. And then the Dijon mustard, very small pinch of salt, pepper, top on, and of course, we'll slice it in half. All right. Okay, we'll put this on the plate, as so. And we'll add a nice fresh garden salad. And there we have a chicken salad sandwich with a little garden salad on the side. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I post videos like this every week, so please subscribe. Also, if you'd like more information, head over to my blog, thepersonalchef.blog, where I post this recipe that you can print off. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to helping you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter.